Hello children, in this video we are going to study about mathematics chapter number 4 tick 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 page number 40 children. Now children, they are asking you how many minutes can these activities take, make a guess and then check at home. Now children, they are asking to boiling 1 liter milk will take how much time? It will take 5 minutes. Okay children, now filling a bucket, it depends upon the size of the bucket children. Here I have written 3 minutes. Now sweeping your room, now it depends upon the size of the room, but here I wrote 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay children, now activity time. In 1 minute, how many times can you snap your finger like this children? How many times? 20 times. Skip a rope. If you skip a rope, how many times in 1 minute you can skip? 15 to 20 minutes. 20 times. How many times? 15 to 20 times. Now children, jump up and down 30 to 35 times. Now and one activity that I am writing here, blink of eyes in 1 minute, how many times you can do? 40 times. Now children, you have to write more such fun activities in this column. Now children, here is another challenge for you. How long can you? Now children, they are giving you one more challenge. Speaking non-stop. How long you can do? 5 minutes. Standing on one leg. 1 minute to 2 minutes you can stand on one leg. Now children, singing without break. 1 minute. Okay children. Now how long do you take to run a 15-meter race? 5 minutes. Collect 50 pebbles from the ground. 5 minutes to 10 minutes you can take. Now children, count 1 to 100 and set a timer and see in that how long you take to count from 1 to 100. This activity you can try at home children with your brother or sister and check how long you will take to count 1 to 100. Now children, they are telling you to let's look at the clock again. Solve this one. A minute hand started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Now see children, what they have told us. The minute hand means which hand? Long or short hand? Long hand. Started from 2. How many minutes will it take to come back to 2 again? Now see children, here this is the minute hand and it will go round like this and come back to 2 again. And in how many minutes it will cover this? In 60 minutes it completes its one rotation. Okay children, in 60 minutes. So the answer will be 60 minutes. Now children, the second question is, what happens to the hour hand? Does it also move? How long will it take to move from one number to the next? Now when this minute hand is moving children, does this hour hand also moves? Yes, it also moves. And children, how long will it take to move from one number to another number? It takes 60 minutes to move from one number to another number. Now children, look around you and list the activities that take about 1 hour to complete. Now children, the activities that you can complete in 1 hour are completing homework. Yes, it takes 1 hour to complete. Playing with friends. When we play with our friends, we play about 1 and 2 hours. Isn't it children? Getting ready for school, it also takes 1 hour. Cooking food also takes 1 hour. Arranging bookshelf is another activity which takes 1 hour. Now children, how long does it take to cook dinner at home? It depends upon the items that we cook children. It can take less than 1 hour if you are cooking less item or more than 1 hour. Here I have take this more than an hour. Now ask your father if he can cook as fast as your mother does. No. Isn't it children? Does your father cook faster than your mother? No. Then which games take less than an hour to finish? Which games you can finish in less than hour children? snake and ladder, playing cards. These games are finished in less than an hour. Now children, how long does a football match take? 90 minutes. Now if I tell you to convert this 90 minutes in hour, how many hours are there in this 90 minutes children? 1 hour and 30 minutes. If it is converted into hours, it will be 90 minutes will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Now children, Rani's diary. Come, let's go to see my new baby sister. This girl is saying, Ma, I have brought some sweets for Munia, but she can't eat. She's too small and she doesn't even talk. She will start doing all this slowly as she grows up. Now children, tell me how many months are there in the year? 12 months. That are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. Now children, I will note down in my diary when she first starts talking, eating, walking. Now these are the pages from Rani's diary children. She wrote down here in which month or on which date she was born, on which day she got her first tooth. Here are some of the pages from Rani's diary. And now children, mark this in correct order on Munia's timeline. Here we have to mark down in correct order on Munia's timeline. Now children, when she was born, 5th March 2005. She ate a banana on 5th September 2005. She got her first tooth on 15th September 2005. Now children, at 10th November she sat up. 20th November she started crawling, and 2006 means 5th of January 2006 she stood up. Now children, on 2nd February 2006 she started walking. Now children, here is the timeline of Munia's from birth till she started walking. Now children, Munia got her first tooth in September. How many months old was she then? How many months have passed from March to September? Now children, from March, April, May, June, July, August and September. So how many months passed children? 6 months. And she was born on 5th March and she got first tooth on 15th of September. So days are remaining children to count. Now see children, 5 you leave, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 11 days. Okay children, 6 months and 11 days. Now children, how old was Munia when she first sat up? She was 8 months and 6 days. See children, now how to count this? Now see children, she born on March and she sat up in November. So this will be April, May, June, July, August, September, October and November. Okay children, this will be 8 months. And children, from 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, this 6 days. Okay children, so she first sat up at 8 months and 6 days. She got her first tooth. When she got her first tooth children, on 50, that we wrote already children, 6 months and 11 days. Once let us count again that she was born on 5th March. So, and got her first tooth in September. So these are 6 months. And from 5 to 15, children, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. These are 11 days. Okay children. Now what did she do first? Walking or eating a banana? She did eating a banana first. Now children, crawling or standing? She did standing first. Now children, growth of a dog we will see in the next video.